Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin. So Bambina, you requested for a tour in the villages of Baga. That's the reason why I'm here. So this is going to be a walking tour because it started raining heavily since last night. So that there was snow park. Even right now it's drizzling and I'm walking around with my umbrella and the camera. So this is pretty interesting for me right now because I'm always used to uh, moto vlogging, but walking tour, I think this is the first time I'll be doing that. And this is what the area looks like. So here you'll find many places where you can get your bookings. So those are the numbers, but guys, please check the reviews as well before you book these places because I really do not know. I have not stayed here. And as you can see here, tourists, many of them are leaving. Yes, it has started raining finally, and that there is snow park. So I have spoken to some of my friends who have brought their kids to this place, and they said that it's a very nice place. And here on the side you'll have these kind of shops, bike rentals. Again, those are the numbers, guys. So in case if you're looking for any of that, you can just pause the video and take a look at the number. And once again, here there are many shops here where you can buy your shorts and all these things. Is this for there? No, I don't think so. I heard that sound, that's the reason why I thought this guy was for there. Okay, as you can see here, these roads pretty much lead to the beach. And if you go straight and take a left, keep going left, you'll get towards Tito's Lane. Look at all these shops here. So here you can even buy vegetables in case if you're staying this side of Goa. This area especially gets extremely crowded, and it is very popular among domestic tourists, race tours and travels. So you can if you want to go for all these dinner cruises and all these activities, these are the kind of shops that you can visit. Parasailing and all that. Some restaurant here, Ray's restaurant, wine shop. And this here looks like some Thai massage parlor, Coastal Polina Resort. Again, you'll find many places like these. You can pause the video and take down their numbers, check their reviews. Hotel Victoria, rooms, restaurant, bar and pool. And as you can see, because of the monsoons, Goa looks totally different. That there, right in the distance, is the ocean. And of course, I will walk right up until there and show you the situation on the beach, because right now there are many shacks that have been they have removed all the shacks, so there are no shacks and the beach looks totally different. Casa Baga, look at this property. So inside here looks very nice, very good, some work going on. And the surprising thing is, although I stay very close to this area, this is the first time I have walked into this lane. I've always passed by Tito's Lane and all the other lanes, but this is the first time literally I have passed by, or maybe I did pass by but I don't remember. What is this? Again, Osada Donation, wooden cottages. Okay, so there are wooden cottages right here. There's some maintenance work that is going on. Maybe they're going to start some, looks like some shops or restaurant or something over here. So the weather right now is very good. It's a bit windy, as you can see, and it's cool thanks to the downpour that we had yesterday evening and in the morning. Look at this property. I cannot really jump and see, but yes, I can raise my hand and show you guys. I saw that as well in the screen. Very nice cottages here. There are some more here. Look at this. So wondering how I'm shooting this vlog, that's how I'm doing it. So I had no choice but to take a walking tour, because if I strap the camera on my bike, it's going to get wet, and I don't want anything to happen to this camera, because all our vlogs are shot through this camera. I bought it like a couple of years ago, and it's a very good camera. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So those of you who want a good camera for shooting vlogs, I highly recommend this camera. Common sight here, a bull. So please be extra cautious, guys, especially when there are two bulls and they have, you know, locked their horns. It's the best choice is to keep very safe distance from these guys. Look at all the little shops over here. Again, lots of shops, clothing shops. You can buy many different things here from these shops. There's a tempo here. He's carrying so much wood, bamboo. Let me quickly escape. Okay, as you can see here, many people are buying clothes and stuff here. All these shops here, they're selling Maggie, and that's a footwear shop over there, tattoo studio, and Cafe Elmar. So this is one of the famous cafes that is there in this area, and the lane that I just passed by behind where the bull was there, from there you can go to Las Olas. Look at this. What is this? Aristo Resorts. Again a resort over here. Looks like a very nice place. I think this is the same place, the wooden cottages. I can see that in the distance. And Cafe Elmar, they have a view of the ocean. Let's have a look at the prices. That's their menu, but sadly prices are not mentioned, but that's a big menu. Look at this lovely scooter that is parked outside. Okay, let's keep moving forward. Now we are heading towards the Tito's Lane. Now I've made it to the beach area, and it is very windy over here. I am literally holding my umbrella very tight, but I have to show you this place, guys, because during the monsoons it changes completely. Now there are some shacks here. You will always find these some of these shacks like St. Anthony's and all there in the distance, but most of the shacks, they have removed these shacks. I'll show you. So yeah, that is what I was talking about. Look at that. There are two bulls over there, and you don't want to be close to these guys. They can suddenly, you know, charge towards you. They switch speeds very fast. Look at this. I'm sure you can hear it in the video. There are absolutely no shacks over here. There's a lifeguard tower there in the distance, and it is so damn windy right now. Skip Tito's Lane, and that there in the distance is public utilities and changing room, and this is the lane that I am heading in. So we've already covered Tito's Lane in some of our vlogs, but I wanted to show you guys this lane. And if you think this lane will get you out on the main road, never make the mistake of taking this lane, because you'll just go round like this all the way there, and you will come out towards Tito's Lane. If you're wondering whether or not you should come to Goa in the monsoons, you can decide for yourself. Just look at how green all the places turn into. Now this is a private property, and this side as well there are many cottages. And Bambina, you mentioned that you wanted to see some residential areas. So this area basically, if you keep going in, if you keep walking ahead, you will end up reaching some residential areas. As you can see, monsoons is a totally different feeling. If you love the rains and if you love greenery, you will really enjoy taking these little walks in Goa. Okay, what do we have ahead? Baga Blue Marine Beach Resort. So the left here goes towards some private property. We've skipped that, and let's check this area out. So this is where many locals live, and many people from the fishing community, they stay around these areas as well. So as you can see here, there are no resorts or anything as such there. Someone who runs a water sports business, they stay here. There are jet skis over there, and again we've hit a dead end. Back towards this side, so I saw this gate and I thought it's a private property, but then I realized that I have passed by this side and I should have a look ahead. And yes, I'm glad I did, because there is a road right here, and as you can see here, these are like residential areas. And the most funny thing is that if you go towards Baga Beach, you will find so much crowd there, but these lanes there's nobody, and none of the people know about these lanes. But yes, there are many places to stay here, and like I said, there are many locals who live here as well. And then there are these spaces here, many green spaces. So I'm really enjoying this walk as well, although I do miss my bike, but the walking tour is not that bad either. Look at this. So these are the kind of views that I'm getting. Just look at this area around me. So very nice, very peaceful, very soothing walk, I would say. But I must say that I did walk quite a bit. At least I'm guessing around close to a kilometer. That's okay. Next time when it's not raining, that's when we can go on the bike for the virtual tour. But for now, when it's drizzling, I'll have to continue with the walking tours. Look at this area. Again, many cottages here, and you'll see a lot of two-wheelers that are parked. So talking about two-wheelers, just a suggestion. I know many of you guys are aware of this, but whenever you're renting out a two-wheeler, make sure that you click photos, you click videos, because later on you don't want to have any sort of a disagreement with the bike rental people. And look at this property, Biju or Bijau, however that's pronounced, guest house. Again, look at the lovely houses right here. So this is the area that I was talking about, Bambina. Which way should I go? Okay, let me just walk on Tito's Lane. That side there as well. This road goes towards the beach, but I've never been to Tito's Lane around this time of the year, although we are so close to Tito's Lane. But yeah, things have changed a lot here. It gets extremely crowded, and a lot of the old cafes and pubs which I really liked are not there here anymore. Look at these shops. So multiple shops here for bags, lots and lots of bags over here. What is this? Again, a shop for scuba diving, tattoo, today's special, Nisha's breakfast. Somebody had told us recently, one of the international tourists, that this place is good for food. I haven't tried it, but if you've been here, please let me know. Nisha store, again a tattoo parlor. And look at these places. So even though it is around 10 or 11, what is the time right now? I don't know, I'm not wearing a watch. Maybe around 10ish. And even at this time, you can see so many people that are there over here. Look at these guys, they are making a reel. Not a very pleasing sight. Yeah, these are the things that you can really expect into Tito's Lane nowadays. Okay, let's keep moving further. Again, here many restaurants and cafes. This here is the Waffle Bar, a garment shop here, and on this side, Tattoo Studios Ariel Guest House. So if you like Tito's Lane, you can stay at this guest house, because this is right on Tito's Lane. Again, more clothing shops. So it's mostly like wine shops, tattoo studios, clothing shops, and I wanted to highlight something about that tank in which you can dip your legs for, I don't know what it's called. Is it fish pedicure or what? I have no idea. But I have read a couple of articles that it's very risky if you do that, especially if you have cuts on your legs, because of the bacteria some of the fish can have, and it can lead to a serious infection in your legs. So please be extra cautious if you decide to do that. Sunrise Family Restaurant and Bar. This has been here since a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Trust me, if it rains and if you have to go for outdoor vlogging, it is one of the most difficult things to do. But anyway, I had decided that I will complete my vlog, and thankfully I've done that, and I'm going to definitely come up with more vlogs like these in the future. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.